Hi Sas'ke, welcome to another review for cosplaysky.com. I asked to them to send me a new cosplay costume, and finally I have my Final Fantasy cosplay costume as Prince Noctis. Let's begin to show you the details of the shirt. As you can see, the material is synthetic one, the stamp is also so good. And let's wear it. I know you are waiting for this. Oh my god, what I have to do for this review. Here I am, and it suits me well. Let's continue with the coat. Here the details, the buttons, the tasks. There are a lot of tasks. So it's good when you go to the convention and you have to bring for you the telephone, your wallet and your keys. So you can put them here. Okay, I'm half ready. I'll show you the coat too. Here the trousers. Let's wear them too. I remember to you that cosplaysky.com is a site where you can buy from all over the world. So worldwide shipping is available. And there are a lot of discount codes here in the description box too. At the end, as far as the costume, here the glove. And also this time I received also the boots. Okay, now it's time to show you all the cosplay complete on me, and unfortunately I don't have the wig. Actually I have to fix it, so you have to wait for seeing me in a Noctis cosplay. If you follow all my socials like Instagram, Facebook, also YouTube in the community section on my homepage of YouTube, you'll see my future cosplay as Noctis. So go to the site and see all the costumes they have. See you in the next video review, Sas'ke. Bye bye. Oh, there's some Valentine's in 4 days. I have a lot of news about my channel and my next social. So continue to take a look on my socials. Bye bye.